Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be covering the Excel function of sorting. Like I mentioned in our previous tutorial, after we cover filters, we will be making another video on sort. So here you are. I am using the same file and the same table for this function as well because it can easily cover it. Okay, so I have copied the same table in another tab known as original here. I'll cover the reason behind it by the end of this tutorial. Okay, so let's dive into it. Sort is something you need as much as you need a filter. It's used every time you have a data set like this or a larger data set. It's pretty useful whenever you are using Excel. Alright, so I've put in a filter here. As you remember, Alt HSF, Alt HSF. Okay. So whenever you have to do a sort, you first need to select your entire table. So if you do a simple Control A, it will select the entire table. Now the next thing that you can do is you can right click and here you have sort, you have filter as well, or you can go in sort and filter here under the home tab. So here you have oldest to newest, newest to oldest and custom sort. So let's try oldest to newest first. I want to select my order date column and sort the date. I do newest to oldest. Now here is a warning that Excel is giving me that you have not selected the entire data. Do you want to expand your selection or do you want to continue? This means that if I select only one column, Excel is telling me that the sort will not be correct, which it is right to do so, because if only this column is sorted, the remaining table will remain as it is, which is wrong. For example, 22nd of April 2020 is for the region West, Los Angeles, carat, 35.4 total price. If I sort this, here the date would be the latest date, but this table would remain the same. So that is obviously incorrect. So I say yes, you want to expand this selection and sort. So now it has correctly sorted it and also all of these values have updated, which is correct. So always as a best practice, do a Control A on the entire table and sort. So okay, so that sums up doing sorting for oldest to newest, or you want to do newest to oldest, whatever. Okay, so let's keep it as oldest to newest. Now let's go into custom sort. So custom sort will give me this dialog box. Here you can select the column, how do you want to sort it, and in what order. So let's dive into something known as custom list. Here let me select the region and here let me say custom list. So the region is East and West. So I select East West here since I already had it in my list, or I select new list and I write here East and West. This is because I want this particular column to first give me all of the rows which are East and then give me all the rows for West. I say add, okay, select this, okay, and okay. Here you go. Now the region is sorted. The entire thing is giving me East, and then from the end, if you see, it's West. So this is correct. This is what I wanted Excel to do. Okay, let's go and highlight this because it's looking a little off. These are my headers, so I've highlighted it here. It looks much presentable now. Okay, now the next thing that I want to do, select the table, go to custom sort. Now it's already sorted by the region east to west. Let's add a level here. Press this add level tab. Add level. Now I want to sort the cities. I'll say sort my city, cell values from A to Z. Okay. Alright, cities are sorted from A to Z. It's showing me Boston. Okay, lots of Boston, then New York, and so on. So already the regions are sorted from east, then my cities are sorted from A to Z. I select, go custom sort. I want to add more levels to this. So I click add level. Now sometime this happened. This level has come in between. So you can click on these arrow keys and move it down, move it up. So I move this down. I want to say category. Sort my category also from A to Z. Excel says okay. I'll sort it. So it's sorted from A to Z. It's taken bars, cookies, and so on. You can keep adding however levels that you need. So this should be enough. Alright, so now this pretty much covers entire sorting. There are more parts in this for font color. Okay, let me randomly select unit prices. Suppose you have been given an assignment and you need to scrutinize something, so you go and highlight the colors. So let me highlight these. Okay, I've highlighted some random tabs. Now let's go back to sort and add a level. Move this level down and say unit price. Now I want to sort it by cell color. So cell color, and here Excel will automatically pick up the colors. So say I want first yellow, you sort it by yellow, then you add a level. Say I want to sort my unit price by green. I add one more and I say I will sort my unit price by gray. Okay, let us do one thing, move these guys on top. Okay, so now I want Excel to sort all my unit prices first by these colors and then sort my region, my city, and my category. All right, great. So now Excel has sorted all of these by the colors first, and then it has gone ahead and sorted the remaining part, that is by the region, by the city, and the category. How I know that Excel has not done it here? Because we had set category for alphabetical and here cookies is on top. So you know that this is correct. Alright. Now I go and select my entire table. Go to custom sort. Let's remove all of this. Okay. Alright. All of that is removed. Let's remove these colors as well. Alright, now a last thing that you can sort by is by icons as well. So I go into conditional formatting and I just select We'll cover conditional formatting in another tutorial. So for now, I'll not dive into that. I have just selected these colors. Okay, alright, this is not what I wanted. So let's do a Control Z. I'll just apply it on one column. And here you go. Now you have these icons on these columns. Okay, I do a custom sort. I sort my total price column as per my conditional formatting icon. So I say put the green guys on top and then my total price, conditional formatting, and put the yellow guys on top and the red guys on third automatically. So there's only one green, the remaining is brown, and these guys are here. That is correct. We see it looks okay. All right. So that is about it when it comes to sort. Really easy, simple, not too complicated. But now here's the thing. Once you've sorted all your data, and suppose you want your original data, you can't really get it back because Excel has now moved everything around as per your need. So you can't go back and get your original sort. Sorry. Yeah, so what you need to do in that case, for me, I have already copy pasted my table somewhere. You can do that. Or what you can do is you can add an additional column here on the left and give serial numbers to your data. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So your data has been given serial numbers. So now what happens is, suppose I do a sort here. Okay. So I have filtered my entire table and I do a sort on the date column. Let's get rid of these. I sort my order date, newest to oldest. Okay, my order date has been sorted. As you can see, the serial numbers have shuffled up. Now suppose I want to go back to my original. I just need to sort this again, smallest to largest. Here you go. You have your originals back. That is from 1 to 244. And yes, so this covers our entire sort tutorial. I hope you have learned a lot from this. In case there is anything that I have missed out on, so please do let me know. Or if you have any questions, you can post it on the comments. Have a nice day. Please do like and subscribe if you've been enjoying these videos and would like to see more on Excel, or maybe we might cover another few other topics. So let us know. Bye bye.